Hi everyone, this is Cheryl Mascarenas. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to go ahead with a set of core drills. So this is something I do almost 4 times a week or maybe 5 times a week. This has really helped me a lot in my inversions, in my arm balance practices, and I have built a great amount of strength over time. So this is a simple thing that I do. A routine is about 4 minutes, um, for 4 minutes, 30 seconds maybe. And you can do this as many number of times. Generally, I repeat the whole routine 3 times. If I am not working out with any other kind of form, like maybe an HIIT, I don't do anything else, or I'm not doing my yoga practice, I might even do five rounds of the circuit. But you are free to do as many rounds as you want, depending on your strength and ability. You can start off with one and then see what more you can add. So there's a set of 5 core drills that we'll do, targeting different parts of the body. And because very often we feel that core is just to do with the abdomen, but it's also to do with the back, it's also to do with the sides. So a lot of work goes on when we say core drills. So we're going to do different aspects of it in these 5 drills, and I'm going to do it once. You can repeat it as many number of times. At the end, we are going to do some static holds, which are really, really good for building strength. Okay, when you're ready, you don't need anything, just your mat. Meet me on your mat. All right, so the first one is going to be bicycle crunches. We are going to do 100 bicycle crunches, any number of sets. So we'll do the whole routine, the whole circuit, and then we'll repeat it. Get into position and let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 4, 6, 8, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 50, 2, 4, 6, 8, 60, 4, 6, 8, 70, 4, 8, 80, 4, 6, 90, 94, 96, 98, 100. Second, lower belly lifts. Keep your leg up straight, hands down, lift only the lower belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roll over, come to your plank. You can do a full plank, forearm plank, 30 seconds. Remember to keep your core engaged, knees pulled up, thighs engaged. Push away from the ground. 10 more seconds. And come down to your forearm plank. If you're not already there, we'll go for twists. 20 each side. Shift your weight forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep the belly engaged. 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And last one. hollow body, crunches. Turn around, lie down. Feet and legs together. Sorry, feet and hands. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 2. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Release. That was one set. So you can go ahead, do as many sets as you want. Suppose you're doing 2, 3, 5. Once you finish them, we're going to do certain static holds. First will be a hollow body hold, and then we will go into a chaturanga hold, and then we will go into a dead bug hold. 3 holds, as long as you can. All right, let's go into a hollow body hold. Release. Okay, we go into a dead bug hold and then we can move to chaturanga. For your dead bug, draw the belly in, push the hip down, lower back to the ground. Legs slightly apart. See to it that the knees and shin are in one line. Hands up. Keep drawing the belly in. Stay. Generally in a dead bug, I stay for a minute. Keep breathing. Keep your toes engaged, fingers engaged. Keep drawing the belly in. Push the lower back to the ground. Lower belly to the navel. 30 seconds done. You can feel the legs now. Forty done. If this feels too much, you can quit at any time. These are static long holds. 50. Feel the shiver. And 60. Release. Last one, we'll go into a chaturanga hold for the upper body. Also realize that the core is very, very active in a chaturanga hold. We're not going to do too much, just about 15-20 seconds of hold. Come into a plank and slowly lower down. And release. For those of you who want to build strength, this is a nice routine. You can practice this 4 or 5 times a week. Do it for a month without fail, which means at least about 20 times in a month, 18 to 20 times in a month, and notice how your strength starts developing. If you can't do any of them, you can always go for modifications. If you can't hold the chaturanga, go back to holding another plank, maybe this time longer if you can, 1 or 2 minutes, and see how that feels. Try to include at least 3 circuits or 3 rounds of the circuit, and if you can, do more. Days you feel good, maybe 5. Days you don't feel that good, maybe 2. Compensate and do well for yourself. Until I meet you guys next time, have a good day.